Hello everyone, Chris here, Donor Trade, bringing you 4 areas off of my charts that I'm going to be watching as I trade and why. Let's take a look at the ES today, going down to some very weird looking charts, and that's because they're backed out far, because I want you to be able to see what's going on the far left of the screen. Hopefully you can see it, hopefully it doesn't get cropped out when I edit the video, but let's take a look at 4,300. This was an area very recently that functioned both as very important areas of support and resistance every time we fell below it. It is the area to re-challenge as the market climbs back up. It's an area that hopefully will be regained as support in the eyes of the bulls. Now down below where price is trading, 42.20 is marked off because this is the area of support, giving us the opportunity to hopefully challenge that 4,300. If we fall below 42.20, my eyes drop down to 41.75 and 41.20. It's two very important lower areas of support that you have to back way out to the left in order to see why. But man, did they get a lot of beautiful action in the past. Good luck, happy trading, and I'll see you all very soon.